Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How's everyone? I'm sure all of you are feeling really well and happy. So, did you manage to finish yesterday's work? That's good. Okay, so now for today's work, take out your maths workbook and can you open page number 14? Okay, all right. Now take out your sharpened pencils and let's begin the work. But can you remind me what is it that we have to do first? Yes, you're right. We have to write down the date. Okay, so can you tell me what date is it today? Today is 7th. Yes, 0, 7, a tiny little dash, 0, 4, again a tiny little dash, and 2021. So that's a date. Okay, now we have to write down the day. So what day is it today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so let's write down the day. And you have to say the spellings as we write. Okay? All right. So let's begin. W E D wed N E S ness wedness, and day you all know how to write, right? D A Y day. Okay, so that's our day done. All right. Now let's look at the topic. It says linear counting. Okay, and we have to do linear counting right from 0 to 29. Okay, so as you can all see, there are these boxes and we have to write the numbers over here. This O stands for ones and this T stands for tens. So we have to do tens and ones and we have to do them under these. All right, so let's begin. So can you tell me, you remember doing counting in nursery? I'm sure you do. So can we start counting? Okay, let's begin from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now you know there's, if you look at your book, you have many squares drawn in your book. Okay, so you have to, when you start writing, you have to leave one square in between. Okay, so you have to leave one square in between and then you do the writing. So let's begin writing now. Okay, so which number comes after 0? 1. Absolutely right. Okay, now what comes after 1? 2. So remember to leave this block empty and come down over here and write down 2. Okay, and what comes after 2? 3. So again we are going to leave this block empty and write down 3 over here. Okay, that's done. Now after that we have to write the next number, but we have to leave this block in between. So what's the next number? 4. Absolutely right. Are you making sure all your numbers are sitting on the line and not floating up above in the air? That's great. Wonderful. Okay, so now again leave one block over here and write down the number 5. Okay, leave a block and write the number 6 over here. Then again leave a block and write down 7, and again leave a block and write down the number 8. And you know, I don't have any more space. My board ends here, so I'm going to write number 9 over here. But when you are writing in your notebook, you have to leave one block in between. Can you do that? Yes, I'm sure you can. Okay. So those are the ones from 1 to 9. Okay, now let's come over here. So look here. 10 and 1 makes 11. Good. 10 and 2 makes which number? 12. Wonderful. Okay. 10 and 3 makes 13. 10 and 4 makes 14. 10 and 5 makes which number? Yes, you're right. It makes 15. Okay. 10 and 6 makes 16. 10 and 7 makes 17. 10 and 8 makes 18. And 10 and 9 makes 19. Now remember, I haven't left a block over here, but you have to leave one block empty over here. Okay, now let's come to this last line. Okay, this is the family of 20. And you all know the family of 20? Let's just do it orally and then you can do it yourself. Okay, 20 and 1 makes 21. The next would be 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29, and that is where you stop because we have to write from 0 to 29. So that is our work for today, and when you're done with your work, look at your workbook. There you have a picture. After you are done with the numbers, you can color that picture. Okay, make sure you write the numbers beautifully and neatly, and all your numbers should be of the same size and they should be small and neat. Okay, see you in the next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.